because I know for a fact that Mama is going through something, some personal dilemma of his own, and she shares a very close bond with Mama. So she notices all that.
Right.
So she's bothered. Yeah. Hi, this is Samriti Shukla, and you're watching me on E Chaska.
Okay, so Samriddhi, hi, welcome to E Chaska.
Hi.
So पहली चीज़ प्लीज़ बताइए कि आज क्या सीन शूट कर रहे हो, बिकॉज आई थिंक इट लुक वेरी इमोशनल मामा और भांजी के बीच, तो इफ़ यू कुड शेयर अस द डिटेल्स.
So today it's all about Savi noticing that Mama is not behaving his usual self. He is
Yeah.
actually behaving very oddly, in fact, not himself, not the usual self that he is. He seems very lost, worried. He's extremely emotional, which he was not even at the time of my bidai. So which is really striking, and Savi really notices it, and she even
Yeah.
asks him, but she gets no answer. But
Correct.
she definitely has this at the back of her mind that there's something that's not right, but she doesn't know yet what it is.
Correct. So how was it like shooting a scene like this? I mean, how did you feel?
It's definitely emotional to be seeing anybody that you're so close to suffer, and
Yeah.
they're not telling you what it is about, because I know for a fact that Mama is going through something, some personal dilemma of his own, but he has not felt comfortable maybe enough to share it yet.
Yeah.
Or maybe I think Savi thinks that maybe I'm overthinking it, maybe he's just fine, let me just observe him for a few days more.
Correct.
So this is what makes her a little emotional, because he's talking really emotional things, like which is unusual, and he's acting very lost,
Correct.
and she shares a very close bond with Mama, so she notices all that.
Right.
So she's bothered. Yeah.
Yes. So even we noticed in the scene that your mother gives you a tulsi ka pet for the puja. So for a fact that I think only the married women they do the puja. So how was Savi taking it? Given the fact that Savi and Nityam are like poles apart.
Yeah, Savi and Nityam are always at loggerheads with each other.
Yeah.
I mean, right now that's the equation. But I think Savi very well understands that she has a role to play, in the sense she has taken this up. She has been married,
Yeah.
and she does promise Vedika, her mother-in-law, that she will give this a chance. And she
Correct.
will. So she likes being fair. So she knows that this puja might also be one of her duties as a married woman.
Correct.
And just like Karwa Chauth, this is something that she might do. I
Yeah.
think she will do, because it's a ritual and it's important to the people she loves, and she's going to do it. But of course, she and Nityam don't get along yet.
Totally, yeah. So speaking about you, how was it like playing, happy-go-lucky Savi to now a married woman? Like, what is the transition like?
The transition was really shocking, because everything changed, from my mood to my clothes to where I live, and
Yeah.
everything in between, all the people I deal with. Suddenly, everything just shifted overnight, and can't even say overnight, in like
Yeah.
an hour. Because I remember Mahant Ji's scene was like, he informs that 1 hour prior to the wedding, Muhurat, he says that Sonam can't get married, it's Savi who should get married. So
Right.
everything just changes very drastically. So it's an extreme shift for Savi. She was in denial and reluctant for a while. She
Yeah.
did lash out on her mother-in-law as well. But then when they have like this huge discussion, she understands where she's coming from. And she decides to give it a fair chance. Now that there's no way out, might as
Yeah.
well, try your best
Correct.
in this situation.
Yes. Lastly, a message for your fans. I think you've been getting like a lot of love and support, especially Savi and Nityam. So what do you have to say?
I'm really thankful and really glad and really overwhelmed with the kind of response, because this is my first show, and to be getting so much love, unconditional love, so many edits people make, they
Yeah.
make so many reels. It's just pure love and nothing else, and it Even when if I'm having a bad moment or a low moment, I'll just open my Instagram and then there are so many tags, there are so many edits, and even people who just meet me randomly, everything, you know. And also when the TRP numbers come, and
Yeah.
I know people are watching, they're liking it, so every single person counts, and it's every single one of you because of which we are here. I am here. So thank you for trusting a new girl with this huge role, and keep loving and supporting Savi Ki Savari. It comes every Monday to Saturday, 6:30 p.m. only on Colors, and anytime on